If you want to enjoy amazing hosting discount, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to reveal a special hosting discount code through which you can save maximum amount of money, plus a special discount link which you can find in the description of this video. Once you click on it, and then I will tell you step by step on how you can avail this special discount on already running discount deals at Hostinger. So once you click on a special discount link, you will be landed to the default Hostinger page. Now the background may differ according to a country, but the offer is not. So if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended almost every famous website on the internet, be it Trustpilot, Google, HostWeb, all of them say that Hostinger is the first class hosting company to offer. These are the three most popular plan, and the good thing is that you can use this coupon discount code on any plan, and you can avail additional discount on already running discount deal. But before you offer these plans, I want to tell you how great Hostinger is with some of their amazing features. Like Hostinger has fast, secure, and reliable servers. You can see how fast their performance is. They do not compromise on performance. You can create websites in seconds through the powerful Hostinger AI artificial intelligence based website builder, and you're getting free domain with all of the annual plan. And in case if you're coming from another hosting company, they have a dedicated tool in shifting your websites, making the website migration process very easy and very quick for anyone who want to come from another hosting company to Hostinger through their migration process. And you can see that the control panel, or also known as dashboard of the Hostinger, is super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner, even a newbie can operate it without any hassle or without any issues. And three most things, speed, reliability, and efficiency. Hostinger do not compromise on it. So that is why they're being known as number one in the hosting world. And security features are just mind-blowing. You are getting automatic backups, SSL security certificates, and DDoS attacks prevention through the Cloudflare protected name service. And right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. And if you want to be the part of the Hostinger family, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. And now move on to the plans. I highly recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough research before you are going to select any plan at Hostinger. So once you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any plan as per your requirement. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page where you can apply the special discount coupon code, and you can see that the special limited time deal is already running, and don't miss the big discount over here. So simply select your billing period. Hostinger offer variety of billing periods, but I recommend you guys to take the maximum advantage of it by opting for the 48 months, but you can choose any as per your convenience. After this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this discount coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply over here, and you're going to see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another discount coupon code as well. It is with the name of HI10. You can also find this one as well in the description of this video. Simply select the apply, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount. So you can choose either one of them as per your convenience. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be redirected to another page. Now here you can see your order summary, and now write your billing details over here. The process is very easy and quick. Simply once you write your billing details, simply select the continue over here. After this, select your payment method. Hostinger offer a variety of payment methods, so you can choose any as per your convenience. Let's say we're going with your credit card. So simply select credit card, write your billing details, and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last years, and my experience is super very good. So I highly recommend you guys to take the advantage of this amazing deal. Make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing discount. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.